to my channel. In today's video we are at Home Goods and I want to show you guys a lot of the Christmas decor that they have. I haven't came here in a while, so wow, I'm blown away of how much cute items they have. Anyways, I'll show you guys around and show you some prices. I hope you enjoy. Follow me on Instagram. You saw that I shared a reindeer just like this, but it was huge. The price for it was $29. This right here is not as big. It's actually pretty small and it's $29.99. Really pretty. These Christmas trees are adorable and they are only $7.99. And they're next to a deer that is only $10. This is so cute. They have so many of them, the circles and the squares. This is like a darker one, which is really nice, and they're only $7.99. This is so pretty and it's red, and they have, oh, actually they have 3 of them. I thought they had 4. This is a really nice desk. It's only $4.99. Oh, I think this would be really nice if my husband had like a little office. Wow, I like it. So pretty. I need to replace the ones that I have at home. What's the price? $12.99. Oh, those are nice. Wow, these ones are beautiful, but they're so scary because they're made out of glass and it's a very thin glass. That would be really scary for my home.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
The toy aisle is on fire. They have so many cute items and also books. Oh, this is an interesting book. Oh, Leo would love this. It's only $5.99. Little ones, you can definitely shop for toys here. And they are very affordable. Let me just show you so that you get an idea. $10. Oh, this is so cute. $6.99. So yeah, definitely check out the toy section. It's adorable. It's a little shopping cart. I love it. But this is definitely for my girls. This is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna take it. This is so pretty for Athena, and it is only $16.99, you guys. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Oh, this is sold as a set. $33. This is really pretty. This is really nice. Red is always a good idea for the holidays. It's such a traditional color. Oh, look at those pillows. They are $34. Let me get it out so that you guys can see it. They're gorgeous. Wow, this is just stunning. So, so pretty. This is really pretty too with the pillow that I just showed you. Wow, and it's only $20. I don't know why, but I think the pillows are really affordable this year. Wow, this is really pretty. Wow. Beautiful too. Wow. It's like bronzy. And the price for it is wow, $16.89. That is really good. Here there is more pillows if you're doing a white Christmas. This is the place to be. This is the aisle to be at. Wow, this is really pretty. Oh wow, look at the details on this one. $20 and it's velvet. Wow, so beautiful. And then more pillows over here. Let's see the price. $16.89. This is really pretty if you're decorating with red. That is adorable. Wow, those black pillows are so pretty. Let's see the price for it. $20. Let me get it out for you guys. They have 4 of them. Wow. They are so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Over here we have some, I almost said Halloween. Some Christmas pillows. Oh, those are really pretty. This is really nice, very comfortable. I can totally see this on my friend Cindy's home. Yeah, totally. I don't know why, but I think she would really like this. Because her house is very like, kind of like rustic, comfy. It would be really nice on her home. Like these chargers. Look at them, super sparkly. But I also have some that are like this, so I don't think I need them, but they're really pretty. Reminds me of a Kenchi child, but at the same time, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with polka dots. So I really like it. And stripes, I like stripes too. But I don't know, not for the holidays though. Oh, it could be for Halloween, huh? Just have it on my kitchen. Oh, it might be too small though. Let me see if I can find a bigger one. Oh, this is beautiful. It's marble. It's only $50. Wow. It's really nice. Call this, I want to say it's kind of like a cake stand. But it's a huge cake stand. Look at that. It's big. And they have 2 of them. Let me see the price. Oop. It is $80, which is not bad. Over here, there is some dishware for Christmas. The price for this is $3.99. It's really pretty. It's more traditional, I would say. Different sizes, like a big one, medium, and a small one. $12.99. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, so much glam. So much. Look at that. So pretty. And the price for it is $24.99. This is so cute. This is so cute. $14.99. candles. Those are really pretty. The price for it is $12.99. Really nice. Pronounce it Decor or Decor. I don't know. Lately I've been saying Decor. But who knows, I might be wrong. In the comments down below if your local Home Goods has Christmas decor already. Beautiful garland. If you're doing a white Christmas, this is perfect. And the price for it is $50. And they also have the matching, well, it's not really matching, but you can match it definitely. That's really pretty. Oh, look at this beautiful cake. Well, it kind of looks like a cake, but I know it's not. And it is $29.99. It's a house. Oh, that is adorable. Let's see the price. $12.99. Oh, I love the feathers. So cute. This is only $29. I was expecting it to be a little bit more pricey. I just checked and it retails for $50. Oh, there's more sparkly stuff. Let's see the price. Oh, that's a really pretty cake stand. And I want to say this is probably $50. But look at that. Oh my god. Everything is like super glam for the holidays. Those are really pretty for $9.99. And that's what they look like. Sticks. Ooh, those are pretty. $9.99. $9.99, and I want to say $7.99 for this one. Let's see. Yep, $7.99. Over here we have a bigger one. I believe I have this one, and it's $14.99. So pretty. And over here there's like a little box for $12.99. Look how sparkly that is. More reindeers, and the price for it is $14.99. This Rose is becoming a teenager, and I just thought this would be so pretty for like her brushes and her stuff that she'll be asking for pretty soon. It's so cute, and the price for it is only $9.99. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me. I will see you guys on my next one.